Hi, this is Sindu Sreebhavan, helping you to ramp up your creativity and roll out your innovation journey. As you're on this journey to innovate using design thinking, I would like you to do one thing that's the most important thing. That is, think big. There are many very famous businesses and products that were developed using design thinking. Companies like IBM, Apple, IDEO, and Google use different forms of design thinking. And you know that all these companies are successful. Businesses were developed using design thinking. Two of such businesses are Uber and Airbnb. Have you heard about Airbnb? Airbnb is known as the largest hotel chain in the world. It's bigger than even the top 5 hotel brands put together. And what's more interesting is Airbnb does not have even a single hotel in their name. So how did they become the largest hotel chain in the world? The business of Airbnb is very simple. They created an online platform where people can list their houses for tourists to come and stay for a short period. This helped to solve a lot of problems for people who are renting out their houses and people who are renting those houses. And it started with something very simple. There were 2 friends. They studied together in the university and they moved to San Francisco in the USA for work. They were starting their work and money was very limited. They didn't have enough money to pay their rent because in San Francisco, the rentals are very high. One day, they had to travel to a place to attend a conference. And as you can imagine, they didn't have enough money. So they came up with a solution. They bought a few air mattresses. They let people to rent these air mattresses and stay in their home, make money from this, and use that money to fund for the rental as well as for their travel and expenses to attend that conference. Of course, they did make some money. But what also happened as part of this was they started thinking, we are facing this problem and many other people are also facing this problem. Once they realized that there is a problem that is faced by so many people, they went out, they interviewed people, they realized that there is a sizable number of people who want to make money, who have enough space in their homes to rent out, and there are a lot of people who want to visit other places but do not have enough money to spend on hotels. That is how Airbnb was founded. And what did they do to found that company? They used design thinking. Today, Airbnb is a multi-billion-dollar business. And when you innovate today, when you use design thinking today, when you find the problems that you want to solve, do not think small. Think big. Who knows? You would be creating the next Airbnb, Uber, or Google, or an organization which is much bigger than all of these organizations put together. So think big, believe in your ability, believe in your creativity, and believe in your innovation skills. You will be able to succeed.